Hey folks, welcome to the rate update with Dan Frio. I'm of course Dan Frio. Today I'm talking to those veterans out there, the veterans and their families, about the benefits of a VA mortgage. And there's a lot of misconceptions and a lot of misinformation when it comes to VA loans. So that's what we're going to talk about next. So don't go away. Hey folks, Denver here, the rate update, and today we're talking VA mortgages. First off, if you've watched my channel for some time now, you realize we lost my father just a couple months ago. He was 93 years old. He was a World War II veteran. Yes, a World War II veteran. We miss him. We love him. Thank you, Dad. I think about you every day. So that being said, you guys are watching. You're interested in VA. First off, thank you. We wouldn't have this crazy world without you guys protecting our freedoms. So I can't thank you enough there. So that's being that. There's a lot of misconceptions or a lot of misunderstandings. There's even people in the mortgage business really don't know mortgage programs. And that's why I do these videos on a daily basis, to make sure you guys are aware what's out there. And hopefully you guys use us when you're in need of a mortgage. So let's talk VA mortgages today. How much do you need as a down payment? What's your credit score requirements and all this other stuff? If you have a VA loan now, can you refinance it? How's that happen? So let's go to the top of the board and say, here are the mortgage programs for veterans. All right, we're going to break it down real briefly. We're going to go across the bottom here and then across the top. Let me explain these cells for you. The transaction type down here is a purchase. Obviously, if you're purchasing a house, cash out refinances. That is you're looking to refinance the current mortgage and then pull out money, maybe to pay off some bills, finish a basement, do anything you want to do. Okay, that means you're getting cash back on top of paying off your mortgage. If you have a manufactured home, that's in this area here. The interest rate reduction program is right here in the VA1. So let's go down through these. Okay, so the purchase is obviously a purchase, cash out, like I said. We'll get down to the IRR, and then it's L, right down here at the bottom. This means if you currently have a VA mortgage, and then VA1 is if you have one score only. All right, so now let's go across the top. Number of units, max LTV, CLTV, and credit scores requirements. So maximum number of units, 1 through 4. That's pretty explanatory. Maximum LTV. Let me explain LTV and right here the CLTV to you. So what you do and how to figure out that is you take your loan amount. So that's part of the L, and then it's TV, LTV. L is the loan amount. So what's the loan amount? Let's say it's $100,000. Okay. The value. Let's say it's $100,000. So you divide 100 by 100 and you get 100. Okay. So you're at 100% of the house's value. So now you also see in the background, let me click out of here for 1 second. You're going to see up in this area where it says CLTV and other areas. So what that means is it's combining any mortgages you have on that property. So let's say, for example, in that other case we had, the value of the property is $100,000. Okay. But let's assume you have a $50,000 primary mortgage, and then you took out a home equity loan for $50,000. So you have 50 on your first, 50 on your home equity loan equals 100. And then your house value is 100. So again, we're at 100 divided by 100 is 100. Okay. So that's what you get. So you're at 100% loan to value, CLTV, so forth. So I won't dig a bigger hole than I can on that one. And then let's go on. Minimum credit score. Okay. So this down through here is, you'll see here, a 500 credit score. Yes, we offer VA loans down to a 500 credit score if you're looking to buy and or cash out. All right. So then when you get down through here, manufacturing, we don't get a lot of manufactured homes, but if you're looking to or if you have a manufactured home and you need a VA loan, please reach out to us. We'd love to help you. The next thing is you're seeing interest rate reduction. That the acronym behind that is IRRR, blah, 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 L. So it's called an IRRL. You can actually refinance your current, and I'll say that again, your current VA loan. So if you're in a VA loan now, the process is pretty simple. Let me go over that process with you. Right from the VA website, we're going to go down through and look here. The interest rate reduction refinance loan, known as IRRL. Okay. Do I qualify or am I eligible for an IRRL? Well, let's go through these really sophisticated guidelines. You already have a VA-backed loan. Well, you're probably watching this now because you do. You're using the IRRL to refinance your existing VA loan. Well, that's again why you're watching me. You can clarify that you currently live in the property. Okay. There's other caveats behind that are basically you need to have not missed a mortgage payment in the last year. If that's you and your rate is 4% or higher, this might be the program for you. We don't need an appraisal. We don't need to verify your income. It is really simple. It's a bunch of paperwork. We handle that for you to get you to refinance into a new loan at a lower rate. And the IRRL program, again, is when you're looking to refinance a current VA loan. The reason why I do the videos, and I do the videos every day, is to educate you guys. Believe it or not, there's a lot of mortgage people in the business that don't even know about this program. I had a conversation with a young man today, and he was going with a lender, and they're like, we need to validate your income. Let me explain to you why this might occur. Lenders have what's called overlays. So for example, I just showed you the guidelines that are basically on the VA website. However, what an overlay is the lender is overlaying additional guidelines on top of the VA guidelines. For example, in this analogy here is we can do a loan if your credit score is 500. I would challenge you to call lenders all over the country, spend half the day doing that and tell them you have a 510 credit score and tell me how many people hung up on you. Because most lenders have an overlay that you need a 580, a 600, a 620. That's an overlay. That's the biggest overlay that I can explain. So that's one of the areas where an overlay might have gotten you denied at one place, but you can get approved at another place, but you don't know that. And that's why I do these videos. So if you find value in my videos and my channel, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell every time we post a video, you get an alert. How can you reach out to me and my team for help? There's 3 ways to do it, and they're really simple. Right here, call us 844-775-5626 or schedule an appointment or a meeting. You're going to click that button. It's going to open up our calendar. You pick the day and the times available to you. Or 3, click the apply now button. It's going to take you about 5-10 minutes. Once you're done, and based on the questions that you answer or the answers to those questions, we're going to tell you what documentation we need you to upload into our secure system to get you started right away. So God bless, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and especially you veterans out there. God bless for you for what you did and are doing. So look forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.